another beautiful day in the neighborhood here in Newton, Massachusetts. We got Sixto, Dom, and Mason working on finishing up the front edge of the pond over here, while Sean and I are framing out our waterfalls and getting ready to put our biological waterfall filter, which is right there, over here in place, attached to the liner, attached to the plumbing, all set up, ready to go. Our goal is to have the whole pond rocked out today, maybe even have gravel in the bottom. So a lot to do. Stay tuned, pay attention. You don't want to miss any of this awesomeness. Hey guys, I'm sweating my butt off out here. Newton, it's hot. We've been working hard. We've accomplished a lot, but we have some big hopes and dreams for the day. A couple hours left to work. Hopefully we can get the rest of the pond rocked. We're so close. We got all the components hooked up. The plumbing's hooked up. Waterfalls are mostly built. Just some little tweaking to do. And this thing's almost ready to fire up. So by the end of the day tomorrow, our goal is to have this thing running. So stay tuned and stay cool, okay? It's a glorious Friday. We're back at it. We've got a secret weapon with us today. We've got Alex from the maintenance team. We brought him along as an extra set of hands on this glorious day to help us wrap up this project. And we're on the home stretch right now. As you can see, yesterday we got the rest of the pond rocked. We got gravel in a lot of the spots. Gravel's going. And right now Dominic is working on a beautiful aquatic plant pocket. That's gonna house some really cool stuff that we brought. That's in Alex's van right now. But this is gonna get an entire aquatic plant package. So all sorts of different stuff that flowers, some grasses. It's gonna be beautiful. We've got Sixto and Alex spreading some topsoil right now. We're putting some beautiful loam in here, loam, black dirt, black gold, whatever you'd like to call it, because this hopefully is all gonna get landscaped by us, maybe next week even, and we wanna make sure we've got some really good soil for the plants that are gonna go in here. The entire backyard in the next few weeks is going to get ripped up, and they're putting down turf, artificial grass for their backyard. So we're gonna have some beautiful greenery in this corner with the water feature, and that turf is gonna come right up to the front side of the pond. So there's a long way to go before this is completely buttoned up, but hopefully we'll have the pond all done and running today, and then the first couple days next week, we'll be back here to do landscaping. We've got a lot of dirt to spread back here to raise the edge. The pitch of the yard starts up at the house and works its way downhill to this fence. So to get the pond to sit just the way we want, our rocks are taller in the back, and we're gonna bring the level up with this beautiful loam that we're gonna use for the planting as well. So a lot of stuff is happening, but it's early in the day. The rain stopped, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling very optimistic. So stay tuned, you don't wanna miss it.
So I am about to install our SLD 2 to 5 solids handling adjustable speed pump here. This is going to work in coordination with the skimmer to prevent any debris that fall in the pond from sinking to the bottom. This weir door here stays just below the surface as the water, as the pump holds the water over it. So you have some nice surface tension going into the skimmer. So any leaves or anything like that that hit the surface of the water will all be collected here before they get a chance to sink and cause problems in your pond. skimmer rack is going to catch any large debris like leaves and sticks and things like that that fall into your pond. And your skimmer mat is going to collect bacteria as well as collect all of the finer debris like blades of grass and things like that.
All right, guys, we've got a lot of stuff going on right now. Sixto is still working on the dirt. This is gonna be a beautiful planting bed for the landscaping. We've got Sean and Dom doing our destination stones, these big flat rocks right here that are gonna be inviting for the family to come stand on, sit on, dangle their feet in the water. So they're getting those set in place and just right. Alex and I are doing the aquatic planting. We've got this beautiful lush plant pocket right here with a mix of iris and some pickle rush. So this is gonna be a really beautiful green wall on the backside. It's gonna tie into the landscaping, help bring that landscaping right to the water's edge and create a nice pop of color on this backside. And we're working our way around. We've got some chameleon plants and different grasses that are going in place. We've got a beautiful specimen lily that we're gonna pot up and put down here in the deep section, and some more aquatic plants we're gonna tuck in different places. So a lot of things are happening, and we're well on the way to having this thing up and running. The tanks are filling with fresh water. This has already been power washed and rinsed and flushed. So as soon as those tanks are full and we're done with the plants, we can get water in here and we can turn it on.